What's up, guys? Welcome back to It's Shandel's Life. If you are new here, my name is Shandel. Hey girl, hey. So if you are just now joining us, like I said, my name is Shandel. Today's video is going to be about me cleaning up. We are quarantined right now, and you know, in this situation right now, we just need to be cleaning up. So I'm going to be cleaning my room, and I don't know if I'm gonna do a separate video for my bathroom and stuff, but because then I feel like the video might be just way too long. So we're gonna be cleaning. I have Kason with me. Also, if you're new and you do not know that I do have a 1-year-old son, his name is Kason. He's over here pulling on the blinds, doing what Kason does best. He's just all over the place. So it's gonna be me trying to clean with a toddler, because I could be cleaning up and he will pull it right back out and junkie it right back up. So y'all, when I tell you my room is a disaster, it's a disaster. It's clothes everywhere, stuff everywhere. I recently got a new bed, and I'm so mad I didn't show you guys my new bed and stuff. But I got like a new bed and everything. So I had this big bulky bed. It was just like huge in the way. So I got a new bed. I'm gonna show you it. It has a little few things on it, plus the child is on the bed. But here is the bed. I don't know if you can really see over there, but here's the bed. I used to have like this really big like headboard and stuff, which I don't have anymore, featuring Kason. Hey. So yeah, I got a new bed. It's a little bit smaller. I wanted to get a new bed because my dog would go under the bed. My dog name is Blossom. She would take Kason's cups, shoes, pacifiers, whatever, food out the trash, diapers out the trash, anything you name it, she would do. She would take it under the bed and like chew it up, and it was like tons of stuff under there. So I wanted to avoid her from even, you know, going under the bed at, you know, this point. And she's actually been doing very well. I had this bed for I think like 2 weeks now. So mad I didn't show you guys when I first got it, because I was waiting for this bed for a really long time. But anyway, so this is basically gonna be like speed cleaning. I'm gonna talk through certain parts and stuff like that, but if I show y'all this room, y'all gotta promise not to judge me, okay? Because it's crazy. I have Kason's crib. Also, I'm thinking about, Kason's crib is over here on the side, and he does not sleep in it. He still sleeps in the bed with me. I've been thinking if I should take it down, put it in the garage until we move, and you know, he has his own room. But then I feel like I wanna stop. I wanna you know, decorate his room when we do move, and like get him like a totally different bed. But I don't know. But I don't know if I should turn this into a day bed, because he's not gonna sleep in it. He sleeps with me, which I'm comfortable with him sleeping with me for right now, because he doesn't have his own room here. So that's fine with me for right now. But you know, I don't know what I should do. Let me know down in the comments what I should do, because I just don't know. I'm gonna show y'all it, because I'm washing clothes too. Like I said, we're just cleaning. So I have Kason's crib. I'm putting all the stuff out the crib onto the floor, so I know what's Kason's stuff, what's my stuff, like to wash, okay? So here is the crib. The crib has tons of crap on it, like it's ridiculous. And then we have like the clothes on the floor for me to wash and stuff. And there goes Blossom. And if you guys have ever seen her, she needs a haircut. Thank you. So I'm gonna get started. I obviously need to open some blinds and stuff in here. Stop. Some blinds and stuff. So yeah, let's get started. I think I'm gonna go put these clothes in the washer first. And yeah, because these are the ones that's on the ground already. They just need to, I see it, I'm just picking it up. But I do need to go through like certain stuff. Like I need to go through this. Kason came over here and knocked all this stuff over. I need to go through all this. I don't really know what this even is. I know this is Kason's corner. I need to go through his corner, because some stuff over here I don't need, or don't want, should I say. So yeah, like that pillow doesn't even match my bed anymore. I probably could use it to like a pop of color, but nah, for right now. So yeah, let's get started. I feel like I'm super zoomed in. I was zoomed in, duh. But this is gonna be a speed cleaning, so that you don't have to be bored. Because I know y'all in the house. I know y'all ain't got nothing to do, so y'all might as well clean up and watch me clean too.
thought I needed. So I thought I needed. Thought I needed. So I thought I needed.
There's something about him that makes a girl want to take him in her arms and... about him that makes a girl want to take him in her arms and...
Alright guys, I am finally finished cleaning my room. It looks amazing. Kason, say bye. Say bye-bye. Whatever. Okay. Oh my god guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you made it this far, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this Clean With Me quarantine edition, boo, okay? Make sure that your house is clean, stay safe, wash your hands, keep everything clean, have children, just keep everything clean even for yourself. I love you guys. If you have not subscribed at this point, make sure to subscribe to the channel, join our family, turn on your post notifications, and we will see you next time. Peace.